going on, guys? It's Phil from ValorShark Fitness. Thought I'd just do a quick video. Gonna make some chicken burgers today. So I gotta go to the store, get some meat. Feeling like barbecuing today. It's a good day. It's a beautiful day out today. Gonna cook some corn too. Girlfriend loves the corn, so I'm gonna barbecue some of that. Not a whole lot else going on. Today's leg day. The worst day of them all. That's okay though, because the weekend's coming up. Friday's almost here, and I probably am only gonna be working a half day at the most, which is fantastic. So let's go grab some meat. Oh yeah. Hello!
Hi.
Guess what? We're getting chicken burgers.
Why?
Because I'm gonna do some barbecuing.
Oh.
Don't worry about what that is. Again, they want to increase your limit. Okay, time for chicken burgers. Alright, ended up getting some turkey burgers. The macros could be a little better. A little high, but I just have one burger, so still almost a 2-to-1 ratio. Still has some good fats in it as well, so not too bad. Night mode activated. Busted.
What? I'm on my phone, you dumbass.
Busted.
Yeah, I'm so into so much trouble. How dare.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Phil from ValorShark Fitness. I have another tip for you guys. So, with your routines, you should be switching it up every 6 to 8 weeks or so. Your body adapts to certain exercises, and you're not going to get as many gains. You're not going to get as much benefit from those exercises unless you change it up. So when I mean change it up, I mean completely change the exercises. You can change certain angles. You can do high rep, lower weight, and then change, 6 weeks later to low rep, heavy weight. Just always keep changing it up and trick your body. Always keep your body guessing. That's it for today. Talk to you guys tomorrow.